I guess it's better to show in this thing in interior scene because of there are a lot so many variety have in interior, but same technique you can apply in exterior. So do you have
Okay.
corner renderer?
Yes.
Okay, so today I'm gonna show you in corner renderer material performance. So you learn you need to learn this thing. So many times you can face this problem that your 3D scene look like very black and dark. So how to fix it? You need to go to here, click standard, then here active viewport setting, click here, and then make it uh, here default lights, make it two default lights. Then you
Okay.
can show all this thing better. Okay. So this is an interior scene. I have modeled it. So you can also try in interior modeling at the same time exterior and interior both. You can try it. Then after modeling, you need to focus on material and lighting. So this is a bedroom. So okay, give me just a minute. So here, this is a bedroom. If I import 3D model, then I need to just drag and drop this file in 3ds file. So here, after drag it, they will called like open file, merge file, extract and cancel. So in that case, you need to select merge file. Okay.
Okay.
Then the model file available now in 3ds. So this is a bed. Okay. And do you know about Vray?
Yeah, in the past I was using Vray, but now I use only Corona.
Okay, okay. Corona is better.
Yes.
So also you try in Corona and DeFi both.
Yes, because I'm using Modify because Corona I don't know so much.
Okay, okay, okay. So no problem. I'll teach you Corona. So in that model, I can put this model in my interior scene. Like here, I put Corona Sun. So I'll brief you later.
Now the object is a one object or is a many object together?
This is one object. This is a bed and carpet. Okay.
Yeah, but is it groups or is what is
Yeah,
it?
this is a group, one group.
Okay.
So when you put a model, they are maybe not group. So in that case, you first of all you need to make it group. Okay. So just put this bed over here. So this is very basic interior scene, and they have not material. So all this object in default color in from 3ds. So in that case, we need to assign material. Okay, so first of all, you need to know about the material slot. So if you press M from your keyboard, then you will find this material slot. Then there are two different options. One is select material editor. This is more advanced, and another is compact. So when you are beginner, I prefer this compact slot for better observation. So also, I will show you the select material later. So this is compact material. Okay. So here, maybe this is material. If you double click over here, then this material editor slot will pop up. Then there is physical material from default 3ds or Corona. So first of all, you need to check that press F10 from keyboard. Then check. Make sure the selection render engine is Corona. Okay. Then close.
Yes.
Then here physical material. Click here. Just simply click here. Then you will find find what type of material you need. Maybe here Corona also have Vray if you install in Vray. So we are go for Corona. So there are two basic things like Corona physical material for Corona material making, and another is Corona legacy material. So there are two different things. So physical material is okay. You can first of all select the physical camera and then You can convert this material into a glass, into a water, into a wall material or ceiling paint, whatever. But here, legacy material. So what is legacy material? Legacy material is more updated and more advanced from Corona. So in this version, Corona 8, and also you can use Corona 9 or 10, whatever. I prefer Corona legacy material because this is more convenient and more updated and more realistic material. They are able to make very realistic material, provide very realistic material. So just I choose the legacy material. Then our material is slot fully converted into a Corona material. Okay. Then this is very basic material. They have no reflection, no glossy, no nothing is here. Just simply a matte type of material. So if you think in real life, the material have some reflection like this, also have some refraction, also have some glossy, some bumpiness. So all over this thing, like material have a texture, have a different color, have different tone, right? So in this basic material, first of all, we are focused in the reflection. So this is color. Okay. In the color slot, you can choose different color over here, just basic color. Then there are material. So in this legacy material, they work on this material slot. So you need to click the M over here.
Yeah.
Then you will find the input layer. They are more advanced, so that there some map over here. So you can put this material color over here, then that will change the color. Okay. So you can select the color what you need. So basically, this is a layer. So this is one layer of color, and also these have some more. This is more complex actually. They're same thing, I guess. So avoid this complex all thing. Just that will not working. You need to work on this top layer color. Sorry, this is not. This is you need to map Corona color. So they are provide Corona color. You can put different color over here, like this. So if you work on legacy material, then as I said, you need to focus the reflection. So in default from Corona, they are full reflection in default. But you need to control the reflection. They are fully reflection. So when you put full reflection, when you make the water material, when you make the mirror material, in that case, you need to full reflection. But if I make like wall or ceiling material, then avoid too much reflection. So your reflection point should be like this, should like this. Okay. So in this slot, they donate the so more white color is more reflection, more darkish color, blackish is more less reflection. Okay. So I have put reflection a bit. Okay. So reflection is done. Then you focus on glossy. So glossy is basically work on the reflection. So the temperature of reflection, the intensity of reflection is controlled by glossy. So if I put 0.9, that means your reflection is more like mirror or water or more clear reflection. Okay. So if I put some more reflection, so when I make glossy about 0.8 or maybe 0.2, they're not working because of in legacy material have material slot. Okay, so you need to control over here. You can clear. Okay, then it will works. So 0.85. As you can see here, your reflection value is more blend and more blurred. So if I put 0.4, then your reflection will more blended. Okay, so glossy is work with the reflection values. Okay, so if you ask me that what is more standard, I told you that 0.85 for better blended glossy with this reflection. Okay, and you need two reflection point for wall like this, not much more, just like this for semi-gloss material. Okay, And then here you find a refraction. Refraction, it works for glass and like water, or the transparent thing. So reflection, if your reflection value, like default it's full, but okay, so here color is more white, but your it is denote the level. So reflection level, if you increase the leveling, then your object will transparent. Like this is a glass right now. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so this is more like, now this is glass. So refraction, it works when I create glass, when I create clear transparent material or water. Okay, in that case, you can play with refraction. So in that case, we are focused on wall, so decrease the level. Okay, so and then the most important thing is here. So legacy material, its default put so many material from Corona. That's why they are focused on very clear cut and very they do- they don't they do not want to take that where too much time consumer, and they are focused on actually clear cut and very easy and very straightforward. So that's why their default put some values. So here this is bump. If you put bump value like paint, and so for example, as I shown, maybe if you search on Google like bump, BUMP, bump map, paint bump map. So this is a paint or dark bump map. Uh, this is page. Just save it. Just a minute.
Mhm.
Okay, so now you if you put this bump map over here, so first of all clear it from default. So now I put bitmap. So here is a basic thing. Again, I will show you. When you click here bump, clear again. So this pop-up will say that bitmap. So you need to select the bitmap if you put any map or JPG image. Okay. So then for example, you have a bump map like this, just select it. Okay, then bump map with in applied with this, then you adjust this value like more something like 40. They are not updating. So we are applied this image. In this image, here black is uh, black and white. So black is bumped. Uh, so that should blackish area will pumped out. So they're not working. I don't know. So here maybe adjust this value point 125 minus 0.5. So when I assign this material, maybe in this wall, standard default shading. Okay. Then if I render it, uh, deactivate the override material. Okay. Now you can show the bump value over here. So maybe put 50. So they are already bumped, but in that case, you need to apply in this object in UVW map. So UVW map is scaling in this your map. Okay, so you can scale a proper proportion with this your material. So apply UV map, then make it box for your geometry. Now you will feel that your bump out. Okay, so then adjust the values like this. Also, you can show this thing over here. You need to go to the bump map, then show shaded. Then you will find out the bump image. Okay, you can adjust it like this. Then it will show you the bumping effect over here. So in Corona or Vray, you need to all this length, width, and height is same. Maybe this is 50, 50,
Yeah, but
and
what
50.
what represent that?
Sorry.
The 350 that you put, what is that?
Oh, that is actually it is inch. So if you work on cm on mm, you can put your this value according to your wall height and wall width. So, but this is not a fixed rule. You
That-
you
but
need to
is-
observe the image, and maybe it's you need to apply different values. Like maybe you can apply 111 and 555. Then you will test what works better for that case. Okay.
Yeah, but is it the dimension of the test? What is the dimension?
Sorry.
How I
Meas-
know the number that I have to put there?
Yeah. I said that this number will not fixed number. Okay, that you need to put different number, and then show it what is better for your image. Okay, so that will that should not do so many stretch like this. That just adjust like a right proportion. Okay, you can you can show this image from here. Maybe you can show here, and then you can adjust this value according to this image. Okay, maybe 20, right? Inch. This is inch value. Then you need to test this things that what works better. So that is all about the bump. Okay. So again, material leader slot. So bump worked well. Okay. So here you can, if you increase more bump value here, maybe 100. This is maybe more bump. If I put 20, this is less bump. So adjust this value according to your scene and your texture and your material. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So that this is bump map. You can if you make white wall, you need to go to the Corona color and then make it white. So that actually pure raw material and like texture. You can make texture in your interiors and exterior scene. Okay. By the bump map. Okay, that's all about bump. Then here, so this is a basic thing. So if you practice in this three different thing like diffuse, reflection, and glossy, and then bump, then you will work in better in any 3ds Max Corona, 3ds Max V-Ray. You can work better, far better output uh, from others. So you can use this three basic thing, and there are also many things, some advanced thing. So I would prefer that avoid this thing because of already you have so many material library from Corona. So if you install Corona, you can also have too many materials. So in short, if you have a short time, you can also use this material they provide from Corona. Okay. Here wall, and then you find out the wood. So if you create wood material, wood custom material, same technique. Just you need to put wooden like texture over here. Just here, uh, bitmap. Then maybe I put wooden material over here. So select the wood like material. So, or maybe, okay, I put food. So, that is not food. So this is a wood, okay, blackish type wood. So if you apply this wood over here, then your material will convert full wooden material. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Now this material will wooden material. So you can uh, apply wood like a different texture. You can download the texture library from different websites like texture box and texture heaven.
But why
and
now
so
we
many. And you
Yeah,
can buy. Do you have any library material texture library?
no?
Oh, you can buy it from an website. So then you will apply.
Why the Buddha is not so nice to see?
Sorry.
Why the Buddha is not so nice? You are not seeing nice the Buddha.
Okay, but they have no reflection. So in that case, this color will not good. First of all, you can clear the bump map, and then in same material you can put the bump over here, make it copy that look like more realistic. Then you need to adjust the reflection. Okay, and also they have a lighting issue. So if you put a reflection in this map over here instance and increase this value, so in step by step your material will more realistic. But this is a very black type wood, that's why uh, they are look like very bad. Point maybe 9. Here, so in that case you can create a reflective wooden material, or if I put 0.8, that is more blended. So now as you can see, now it's far better than before, right?
Mhm.
So if I and also material is not 100% okay when you put when it effect on the proper lighting. Okay, so lighting and material is very related. Okay, so in good material you need to put good lighting, you need to set a good lighting, and you need to know about a high quality and realistic lighting technique. So in next class we'll maybe cover the lighting part. Today our topic is material, so ignore the lighting.
Yes.
Okay, so in just for example, as you can see, if I put a lighting over here, just test the material improvement. So maybe I put a not like this rectangular light and then here rectangle. Maybe I want to put rectangle light over here, the blue. So material will affect on the lighting environment. Okay, so maybe visible all this thing, decrease the value. Okay, now it's more better. And if your lighting temperature maybe will warmish, so put maybe 3000, that is warm environment. So a material will affect on the lighting environment. Okay, and the another thing is here, we are not set up the render, and we are not assigned the ceiling material and side this material. So when you put all this material in your scene, then you will see the actual material.